Welcome to the HTML template tutorial class number 6. In this video we will discuss about how to make a 3-column section in this HTML template. This was our last class, so we can remove these things and make our 3-column section here. Okay, so I removed all these things and let's add a 3-column section here. Today we will make a 3-column section using table data 2D. Let's add a extra table, as this 3-column doesn't match the 1-column section. These are all one columns, so if I want to add a 3-column section here, you have to add an extra table. If the columns doesn't match, in this case you have to add an extra table. So I just added a table. Now I will make a 3-column section. One, two, three. And now I can simply copy some texts with the styles like this. And this and this. We got a basic 3-column sections. If I see it in a mobile device, how it will look like this. As I did not add any responsive class to it, that's why it's just compression, but it's not going to stack in one column in mobile. Let's add the class responsible for 3-column stacking in mobile. We can remember we have the em wrapper to this class for TD stacking. The TD stacking requires this extra code, and the table stacking doesn't record that code. So with this code we have this class, so that class I can add here. And now in mobile devices that will stack like this. If we want to keep some spaces in mobile devices here, then we have to do some trick. We can either add an ID here giving a padding bottom, or maximize this code to make these things more clear. Let's do that. We will add tables inside the TD to add not only the text but also other elements into the 3 columns. Okay, in this case, if we want a 3-column section with similar width, then we have to insert the width here. Width, suppose I am adding a 30% width of the table data, 30%, and the extra 10% is divided into 2 spacer TD, 5% and 5%. If you count, this is 100%, 30, and 10. So how it's going to look? it's going to look like this with the spacing. Now we have to add our class. And add this class to every TD, so we can have it stacked in mobile. Let's see, we stacked it in mobile, and the spacer TD is here. This height depends how the default height it is getting now. Normally the table data gets the default height of around 20 pixels. If you want to increase that, you have to add a height here, just 30 here, so it will be increased like this. This is the height, not the width. Width is added as percentage, and I can add any height like this here. Okay, so if you want to add a image here, add the common styles of images. These things you have to add, otherwise it can make some issues in mobile. Not only mobile but also the Outlook devices or other devices. The maximum width and the height, width, that you have to define, maintaining the image height and width, or anything that you want, that you have to insert here. These values depends how you want to show the image in the template. These sizes are variable and doesn't depend much on the size of this image. It should not be the exact image size of this one. You can simply add any sizes here, just keep the ratio to show the image well in various devices. Another thing you have to add is display block, border none. Here you can add also border 0, as this border none is not supported on all. There the border 0 will work. Now it's looking like this. We can add some spaces here. We can make it centered by adding a center table of 100 pixel. And repeat it for others. Okay, now let's see it in mobile. It looks like this. If you want these images go full width in mobile, then you can add simply to make this table full width. We know that we have a class that is em wrapper that I added here. For the images we have em full width class, so that's what we can repeat everywhere. Now see it in mobile. In mobile the image is full width and everything is fine like this. So that's it for today. I'm coming with other types of columns like 2x2 or or 5 column sections and other complex sections very soon. Till then, have a great day and stay in touch. Thank you.